Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, I'm telling you, the day is almost over with. All right, you all, let's kick off round 2 of the free watch faces for the weekend. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, yes, we got more free watch faces for you all to check out for the weekend, getting you set up so therefore you'll be ready and you can flip watch faces throughout the day, right? All right, so this watch face, I'm telling you, is nice. The name of the watch face is called Sportivo. It's a very nice look. It comes in a few other colors like red, blue, green, and this is the orange version. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The only thing you're not going to get is the animated seconds. That's it. That's all. Right? So if you look at the watch face, this one here can be for those of you all who are into running, into exercising, because everything that you see right now is legible. Not a bad look at all. Up at the top, you get what's primary on any watch face nowadays, and that's going to be your step count. And it lets you know that it's your step count up at the top. You come down to the left, you're going to get info on miles walked or ran. To the right of that, you're going to get your calories burned. You're going to get your day of the week and also your date. And you come all the way over, it's going to let you know how much battery life you got left. And in the middle, it says pulse 60 seconds, right? That's going to be your heart rate. You come down and you get a digital time. This is definitely not a bad look. You guys got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. It is super boss to be free. Check it out. Watch face number 2. Now this one is simple, cut and dried, not a bad look. For those of you all who celebrate Easter, here's the Easter watch face for you to play on Easter Day. All right, you all, that's going to be it. This was super simple. Number 2, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked all the watch faces. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.